Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Windows app on Mac. Alright, let's begin. To run Windows applications on your Mac, you need an app called Whiskey. Go to the Whiskey website and download the latest version. Once the download finishes, open Finder and go to your Downloads folder. You will see the Whiskey file in a compressed format. Extract it to get the application. Then drag the Whiskey app into your Applications folder. Open the Applications folder and locate Whiskey. For the first launch, hold the Control key, right-click the app, and select Open. Confirm again by clicking Open, so macOS allows the app to run. When Whiskey launches for the first time, it will install the required dependencies. Click Next and wait for the installation to be completed. After everything is installed, click Create Bottle and give it a name. Select your preferred Windows version, then click Create. Once the bottle is ready, click Run, choose your windows.exe file, and follow the installation steps like on a Windows PC. So that's basically how you can install Windows app on Mac. That's it for this video. Thanks.